then keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, let's get started.
For my foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I'm dotting it all over my face and then I will blend it with a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm highlighting my under eye and corners of my nose. I'm also putting some concealer on my eyelid so that it gives a nice base to my eyeshadow. Now I will blend this with the same beauty blender. To set everything, I'm using this Sivana colors palette and I'm using the lightest shade out of the four and setting everything. Now to contour, I'm using NYB contour stick. I'm contouring my nose. For eyeshadow, I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I'm placing the lightest shade all over my eyelid. I'm using one of the transition shade from the palette and applying it all over the crease. Now I'm taking the brown shade and applying it only to the outer corner of my eye. I'm building it up slowly. Now I have taken this beautiful wine shade and I'm applying on top of the brown shade. I'm just tapping it lightly. For the inner corner, I'm using this golden shade. Lastly, I'm taking a blending brush and blending everything together so that it's nice and neat. For my eyeliner, I'm using Incolor Gel Eyeliner. Now I'm curling my lashes. Now I am applying a coat of mascara. Here I am using Maybelline's Temptation Mascara.
If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.